We're here at Keep It Clean Laundromat, and there's something new here today. Let's go check it out. That's right, they got a new vending machine. And it's a combo. Soda and snacks. Here are the snacks. Everything appears to be 75 cents. Here's the soda, which is about $1. There's the Diet Coke. Could have had the can turned around a little more so you could see it better. Alrighty. Here's where we pay. Let's see what happens. We want D8. D. Boy, that's really bright, ain't it? Juices. Alternate selection. That was the one that I really wanted. Let's try D1. You don't see anything. Just ultimately falls down the chute. And there you have it. Alrighty, I figured I demonstrated the soda machine, which there's no show. Everything happens behind the glass. Just for the sake of a demonstration, I'll get something rather simple from here. I don't need any food, so I'm just gonna go old school, as in kid stuff. Again, we put in our money, and the super bright display makes it look like there's something on the lens. Now we want B8. B8. And on the upper half, you get to see a product being dispensed. And that's the machine. Hope you enjoyed it.